We find that most people, when we talk to them about youth and homelessness, they say, I never thought there were homeless children in Western New York.
I had a really, physically, mentally, abusive father. So.
With just the clothes on your back and a bag and no place to go, I had nobody to turn to, no help.
I became addicted to opiates when I was 16.
And you never considered yourself homeless, though?
No.
Why was that?
Because I always found somewhere to stay, whether it was my car or a friend or a drug dealer. I had somewhere to go.
They're more of the hidden homeless in Western New York because it's a cold climate.